everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. I'm back with my Christmas card series number 5. My family were sick for a few weeks. That's why I haven't been able to craft or edit my videos. But we are all good now and we are better. So I'm back Christmas crafting again. The stamp set I use is from My Favorite Things called Selfies with Santa. This is a super cute images. I stamped them with VersaFine Onyx black ink on Bristol smooth cardstock and I used my zig markers to color them. After I colored all the images, I added some shimmer using Stardust Stickles. I love adding stickles on my colored images because it gives it more extra wow factor to the images and that makes your card special. And here are all the colored images. I don't have the coordinating die set for this, but it's really easy to fussy cut because it's just square. So I did that. And then what I'm going to do is I use my Memento black marker to color the edges so it will look seamless and the white part is not showing. Now I'm going to add some snow using Grumbacher white acrylic paint. I only add a small pea size in a small dish and add tiny bit of water and flick the paint using toothbrush. This is the paper pad that I will be using today for my cards. I got this paper pad from Hobby Lobby last year and I'm detaching all the patterns that I'm going to use. I die cut all the panels and cut all the layers. I also cut some white matte for my images, and once everything is ready, the adhering part will be easy, and I think this part is the one I enjoyed the most. The sentiments is also from the stamp set. I stamped them on scraps of watercolor paper with black ink and cut them on an angle to give it a little bit of character, and distress the edges with tea dye distress ink. And then I will just add them on our cards. And lastly, I'm going to add some sentiment in the inside of the cards. This sentiment here that I'm using is from Paper Tree ink. I think this is the Christmas set that they have. They have like $5 set of Christmas sentiments that you can buy. And here are my super cute Christmas cards. I really like these cards and I hope you like it too. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you all again soon. Bye bye.